Just how safe are women in Liverpool in 2026? It turns out, not very. I'm going to fire some stats at you in a bit, but the reason the video is there's a new initiative being brought in by Merseyside Police. This is one of many now brought in. We've already got like street guardians knocking around, you know, checking on women who have passed out drunk or spewing up or, you know, separated from friends or whatever. There's a new initiative now, and they're called Halo Points. So I'm going to show you where everyone is in Liverpool today. I think it's about between 8 and 10, something like that. Concert Square area's got some, and the Matthew Street area's got some. So I'll take you down them, show you them. And the first one is Hanover Street, Wood Street. We'll take you there now. So I'm on Hanover Street now, heading down to Wood Street. Find the first Halo Point. I hope they're easily found. Apparently the yellow with a light and a sign saying Halo Point. Oh. Let's find out. So I said they're around the Concert Street area. So I said they're around the Concert Square area and Matthew Street. We're going to do Concert Square first. So here's the first one. So here's Wood Street. We got the Empire pub, and we got O'Neill's just there, and the first Halo Point is here. Now, I didn't know that it's stuck behind this big black post. It can be easily missed. This should be like right here, right where everyone can see it. So you might want to think about changing them, but here's the first one. Tackling violence against women and girls. And it's going to be a little bit nice. So there's the light there. Operation Halo, Help Point. And that's the first one. So the next one is Wood Street, Slate Street. So I'm walking up Wood Street now. Now that one, alright, it's there. I think it could be in a better place, but let's see where the next one is and how easy that one is to see. Right, so carrying on up Wood Street, here is Concert Square just here. You got McCooley's, and it stands right through the back there, and the rest of the bars around it. I can see the next Halo Point now. It stands out a lot more than the last one did. Bright orange in a well better location, this one. So Wood Street, Slater Street, this one's on. There it is. That's the motor touch. Operation Halo, blah blah blah, same as the last one, okay. I thought it'd be manned, but they're not, so you just press this button. Looks like it takes you straight to the police. Okay. So you can see that one behind me. The next one is Slater Street, Seal Street. So carry on down Slater Street, turn you round, and I can see it already. It's just down there, on the corner. And there it is. So it's right outside Rec Bistro, okay, and car park to this side. Right, the next one I can already see, it's up Seal Street. They're all quite close together, well, so far. So the next one is St. Peter's Square, which is here, and that is just there. Bingo. And the final one in this location is just further down Seal Street, so I'll take you to it now. This one's called Seal Street near Alcatraz. I'll just show you where you're going anyway. So you got St. Peter's Square one behind me. You got Seal Street, Slater Street just over there. Remember down Slater Street, there's another one towards Concert Square. And then this one is further down this road. So you know Seal Street. Here is 54. Next door to that is B81. Next door to that is Zodiac. And up here is Alcatraz. Okay, it's just an escape room place. And here's the post here, right outside Alcatraz. So, escape from Alcatraz in Liverpool. And they're all the Concert Square area ones to be looking out for, okay? So if you're a female in this area, this area is predominantly young people, okay? So if you're a young female, now they're probably not going to watch this because my viewership is, I think it's about 90% men, or 85% men watch my channel. So pass it on. If you've got a daughter who goes around this area drinking, let them know where these are, okay? If they ever feel threatened, feel like getting followed, getting harassed, they can go to these points, okay? I think you put you direct to the police, but don't worry about that, okay? Don't think you're wasting the time. If you're worried, press that button, alright? So I'm going to go the whole walk around town at the moment. We're going to head to Matthew Street in a minute. But the stats at the moment are, so bear this in mind, one violent crime against a woman is one too many, one, okay? This year, 2026 alone, up until April, almost 40,000 violent crimes are being reported against women. They're the ones that are being reported, okay? Now, there's no statistics into what percentage of them were sexually motivated, but nationally, they reckon 5% of all violent crimes against women are sexually motivated. So, 40,000, 5% of 40,000 is 2,000. So, from January till April this year, around 2,000 women have had a sexual crime against them. Now that can range from sexual assault, penetration, grooming, flashing, indecent exposure, all kinds, you know. And that's just in the first 4 months of this year, okay? So by the end of the year, 6,000 people statistically, 6,000 women statistically will have been a victim of some sort of sexual crime. 120,000 women will have been a victim to some sort of violent crime. Shocking in a year, by the end of the year. So even on a night out, you know, if you see a woman struggling and she's approached, because there's a lot of creeps out there, we know this, and it proves that by having to put these things in the city centre. So if you see a woman who can barely walk, you know, help her to the nearest policeman or police officer, take her to one of these halo points, just press that button. They might have become detached from friends, you know, anything. Just keep an eye out when you're out, okay? I know it's easy said and done because you're probably half cuttable, but the likes of me, if I go on a night out, I don't get that drunk. Not anymore. I can't handle it. Hangovers last for, 5 days now when you're in your 40s. Then when I'm in 50s. But yeah, help them to one of these halo points, you know, a doorman on a club, a police officer, you know, there's plenty of them knocking around in the city centre on night out. Just give them a hand, okay? Make sure they don't fall into the wrong hands. It was only not so long ago, there was a fella driving around town in his van, sober, looking for vulnerable women. I found one, took her so in his van, had his way. Luckily, he was caught and locked up for it. Right, let's go to the Matthew Street area, find these ones. So now in the Matthew Street area, the next one is Matthew Street, Stanley Street. So it's going to be around by the Met Quarter here, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, they're all pretty recognisable, apart from that one that's behind a black post. But the rest are all in good locations. You should be out in the open. So here's the next one, Matthew Street. Operation Halo, help point. And again, just press the button. So the next one should be just up here, Victoria Street, Matthew Street, Temple Court, and can't remember the other one. I'll find it in a minute. So here's the Temple Court, Victoria Street one. Just there. We'll carry on down. So that's just outside Heaven till 7. That shuts at 7. If you still want to drink, Wetherspoons is opening. Right, let's walk down around the corner now. Yeah, so it's the top of Matthew Street, North John Street, and then up North John Street, Dale Street. That's where the last one is, so they're quite close together, so I'll just keep recording. And don't forget, you get a lot of out of towners as well, so if you're new to Liverpool, Harrison's Bar is just over there. Slogan letters across the road, all the scaffolding. Be it one right in front of me, so we're on North John Street now. And the other one should just be here somewhere, but I can't see it. It is. So you're just up from the John Lennon statue. Find this one, okay? It's a bit more out the way, but they have to, because cars need to get through here, well, vehicles need to get through here, police and all that. And the obligatory tourists getting a photo taken with John Lennon. Right, next one. Again, for reference, there's Moorfields train station over there. This is what I'm on, it's Dale Street. There's plenty of room to put this wide open. This one, and I still can't see it. Is it round the corner? There it is, and you can hardly see it because it's behind the black post. Now look at that. Poor placement. Sorry, but it is. But there it is. Stanley Street, Dale Street. And that's the final one. I think it's 9 in total, innit, that I found. Well, that there is. So that's it. Now, they could have easily put that here. Right in the open, maybe by this bin or something, I don't know. Maybe there's methods of the madness and he didn't want to clutter it round here, but that one's on it, you just can't see it. Right, so that's it, that's them all. I've given some stats, and the stats themselves are shocking. 40,000 women in Liverpool. That's just the L postcode, never mind a Whittle. That's just an L postcode. I've had some sort of violent crime against them. Statistically, 2,000 of them are going to be sexually motivated. So the numbers are shocking. One is one too many. To have 2,000 already, possibly. They're only the ones that get reported as well, by the way. So the numbers are probably a lot higher. Right, anyway. Make sure you get that message out to the young girls that go around the Concert Square area. Matthew Street is predominantly older, well, it's a mix. It'll be 18 to 80, Matthew Street. But especially Concert Square, they're probably people that aren't going to see this video. So make sure you get the message to them if you've got daughters, nieces, anything like that, okay? Right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.